Hey everybody, this is Two Sean's One Car Garage, and this is how to change a 2010 Chevy Traverse rear tail light. What you're going to need to do this is a replacement light, a 7443, a flathead screwdriver, and a 7mm with an extension.
And I can broke it.
Take a flathead screwdriver, pop these off, gives you access to the bolts inside, 7mm with your extension, go in there. It helps if you have an extension. You don't have to use an extension. You just have to have a deep socket. You can just take this off and replace it while you're holding it if you have somebody with you. If not, you can unplug the wire harness right there and the whole component is free. If you want to change this component, this would be the time to change the entire component. Grab this, twist it, lefty loosey, pops out. See the bulb, see how black it is versus a new bulb. See how clear it is. Take the new one out. This one you can touch with your hand. The front headlight you're not allowed to touch with your hand because of the oils, they'll burn out. This one's okay. And what you do is you take the old one, just work its way out. Boom. Now that you have its way out, compare it, make sure everything lines back up, slide it back in, snap it in. Alright, putting it in, you have a guide pin, also with a dowel pin, holds it in place right here. So whenever you guide it in, you have that, and then there's the two bolts line up and screw in. So you take this guide pin and make sure you push it into place. Once that goes in, everything else usually falls right into place pretty easily. See, everything goes right back into place. Helps to hold this up in place with your body if you don't have a friend. And that's it. Brake light check.
Hey, Daddy.
Good.